What's up everyone, and welcome to Robeytech, where I, Justin Robey, aka Robey1 Kenobi, talk tech with you wonderful. So, automakers tend to show up at CES with ludicrous vehicle concepts and autonomous driving and smart tech that really isn't going to make any practical applications, but we like looking at them nonetheless. Mercedes this year brought their Vision AVTR concept to the show that inspired by the movie Avatar. Yeah, the one from 10 years ago, and is designed to connect with the driver and has bionic flaps and panels on the rear of the car that act like hair on the back of an animal when it's running. I know. But listen, seeing this in demos and with it actually moving is actually really cool. But a car like this is likely not going to be making it in production. But the ideas inside of it could be pretty cool for the future of sustainable travel. Now, Mercedes did bring John Landau to the stage to talk about it and the upcoming Avatar sequels, but let us know what your thoughts are on the weird Vision AVTR concept in the descriptions below. Now let us know what you thought about the CES coverage this year and CES in general in the comments below. Now while you're down there, be sure to slap that subscribe button, whip that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we post a new video. Also, head on over to mixer.com/Robey1Kenobi and give us a follow over there for our live show every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific. Also, be sure to drop us a follow over on Twitter and Instagram at Robey1Kenobi. And hey, we're on Facebook. Hello, 1984. We're over on Facebook at facebook.com/Robeytech. Thank you so much for watching. Now, go play some games or go look at some weird tech because there's lots more CES coverage coming up. #BeefyCores.